What's up? In this video, we just want to give you a little compilation of our first camping trip and road trip ever back in 2018. We'd been dating for about a year and a half, and we took this really cool trip in New York to this yurt that was a few hours outside of the city and just had this awesome private nature, and we just fell in love with that whole experience. And we really had a revelation that we were going to prioritize nature and nature getaways in our relationship, and we really basically set out to do that every opportunity since. So this is just some footage. At the time we were just shooting stuff on our iPhones for Instagram. So we have a little video art, vertical video compilation for you. I think it's pretty cool. And you can see the very beginning of our DIY glamping lifestyle. Hope you enjoyed.
Is it a photo?
Wait.
Another thing that made the trip really enjoyable was that we started using this app called All Trails. And so what it allows you to do is to track where you're going and also to view a bunch of trails. And so we found this really beautiful spot a little bit off one of the trails we were walking on where we were able to picnic and swim by ourselves, swim with a family of deers, and we were able to then go back to that same spot a couple days in a row, and that was where we really fell in love with just spending time alone in nature. And we hope you can do the same.
At first we were trying to get into some of the more famous parks, and that can be very difficult to do at the last minute, but it really didn't matter. We just searched on recreation.gov and found something also in the redwoods, a lesser known site, and made it our own, explored the nature around there, and just had a really fun time. So hopefully you like this footage and are inspired to do the same if you can.